Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Wells Fargo deposit account access, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate your Wells Fargo deposit account access, start by visiting the Wells Fargo official website. Look for the Sign On button in the upper right corner of the home page. Click on the Sign On button to proceed to the login page. Enter your username in the first input field. Next, type your password into the provided password field. If you are using a public computer, consider unchecking the box that says Remember Me for added security. Once you have filled in your credentials, click the Sign On button to log in. If you have forgotten your username or password, click on the appropriate link provided on the login page. Follow the prompts to retrieve your username or reset your password. If this is your first time logging in, you may need to set up additional authentication methods. Wells Fargo may ask you to verify your identity using your registered email or phone number. Choose your preferred method of verification and follow the instructions provided. Once verified, you may be prompted to set up security questions for additional protection. After completing the verification process, you should gain access to your deposit account. If you encounter issues during the login process, make sure cookies are enabled in your browser settings. You can also try clearing your browser's cache and cookies, then attempt to log in again. If problems persist, consider contacting Wells Fargo customer service for assistance. For a smoother experience, remember to keep your login credentials secure and avoid public Wi-Fi networks. After successfully logging in, you can view your account balance, transaction history, and more. Make sure to log out of your account when finished, especially on shared devices for security purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.